Hey dear student, welcome dear students. During a pandemic period, I am going to conduct new topics for you. It's a very important topics. Almost, I think that it's the most valuable or most effective topics for our classes. So dear learners, let's go. This is Nishit Jodhar in front of you. What do you see in the picture? I think all of you can easily find out what's the matter is going to represent for you because it is almost known to you. It's a very familiar or most popular or a national importance. We are already we pay tribute for the martyrs. Look at the picture and talk about it. What's the picture about? What's the place in the picture? Why was it built? I think all of you can guess or all of you can realize the importance of the topics. Yeah, it is about our struggle and sacrifice for the dignity of our mother language. What's the place is the picture. The place is in an independent educational institutions where it is built for the respect for the language matters. Why was it built? It was built for commemorating the supreme sacrifice of our martyrs of language in Bangla. Okay, dear learners, today's lesson is International Mother Language Day First, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to talk about events and festivals, ask and answer questions and give opinions in a logical sequence. Infer meanings from the context. Here, first one, given for you a vocabulary. Memorable, notable, important, remarkable, etc. Tribute, just like praise, appreciate, or respect. Martyrs, who make sacrifice for and types of way. Outlaw, fugitive or robber. Enkind, burn or light up or fear. Admiration, esteem or honor. Climax, highest stage or final. Highest stage or final stage. Read the text and answer the question. Hey dear learners, you have to go through the whole text and you have to scanning and scamming most important message from the text. It will provide for you. This text will give a huge information about the context. If you go through the text, you will learn many important or valuable things for the text. Okay, dear learners, go through the text and cope up some important information from the passage. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Match the word meanings with their meanings. Word and meanings. Tribute, to cause or to stimulate. No, tribute means an act to show respect or admiration. Climax. Climax means the most exciting point in time. Outlaw. Outlaw means to ban. Defy. Defy means to refuse, to obey. Provoke. The ability to keep increasing or developing. Relent, to give in. momentum, to cause, or to stimulate. This is the main facts, or this is the main topics from which is scanning from the context. I think all of you did it, because if you go through the text you will learn very important message from the context. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Answer the following question. Where did the procession reach? Why do we observe 21st as the International Mother Language Day? What happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? The seat of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Do we agree, or why? Why is 21st February observed? Okay, dear learners. Where did the procession reach? The procession reached Dhaka Medical College. Why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? We observe it to show respect to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as our state language. What happened when the Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? A storm of protest raised all east part of the country when the Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan. The seat of the independence was born 21st February 1950. Do we agree, or why? Yes, or of course. Or I agree with the matter? Yes, I agree. As the independence of 21st February 1952 enkindled the spark of independence movement. Why is 21st February observed? The 21st February is observed the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you can easily solve the question, because if you read the text very carefully you will be find some information from the text, and that will be support you to complete the question. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Okay, dear learners, at the end of the text I will provide some homework. You have to do this at your home. Give a brief description of how to celebrate 21st February at your school. I think all of you are habited to observe in such types of occasion at your school. It's a very important or very first and foremost important days in our life. So you have to describe yourself. You have to describe yourself from the topics of your school which can be celebrated, which will celebrate, which is going to celebrate, or that was celebrated in at your campus. You have to describe yourself. Okay, dear learners, thanks to all, thanks to everybody. Okay, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you, dear learners, dear students.